I'm floating through the cosmic sea, lost in a galaxy unknown to me. Neon lights, they flicker and glow in this strange world I call my own. Waves of sound, they echo in my ears as I navigate through my fears. A distant star shines in the night, guiding me towards a new insight. In this exoplanet, searching for a place to call my own. Lost in this vast unknown, in the strange world I've grown.
It's been 1 year since 49 starships arrived, transforming our fledgling settlement into a thriving colony. This is the new heart of our community, the main habitat, constructed from 3D printed Martian soil cement. Inside, the main area bustles with activity. Shops, recreational spaces, and essential facilities support the daily lives of nearly 3,000 colonists. Despite the challenges, our colony continues to grow and adapt, striving to build a sustainable future on Mars.
Hey Lena, glad you could make it. Welcome to our little green oasis.
Wow, Damien, this place is incredible. How does it all come together?
Well, it all starts with these guys, our fish. Their waste is nutrient-rich and perfect for the plants. We pump that into the plant beds.
And the plants clean the water for the fish?
Exactly. The plants take up the nutrients, clean the water, and then it cycles back to the fish. Pretty cool, huh?
Very cool. And I see you've got some insect farming going on too.
Yeah, those little critters are fish food, and some of the plants we grow feed the insects. It's all connected.
Impressive. What's been the biggest challenge so far?
Keeping everything in balance. Too many fish, the water gets dirty. Too many plants, they don't get enough nutrients. It's like juggling, but with fish and plants.
I can imagine, but it looks like you've got it under control.
Thanks, Lena. It's been a lot of trial and error, but we're getting there. By the way, how's your research going?
Oh, just trying to make sure everyone stays fit and healthy on a different planet, no pressure.
Ha ha ha. Yeah, just the small stuff. Hey, wanna go get a drink in the main habitat?
Sounds good to me. Lead the way.
You know, Lena, I never thought I'd miss fresh air so much. The recycled stuff just isn't the same.
Tell me about it. I miss the sound of rain, but at least we're making progress here.
Hey, you two. Mind if I join?
Of course, Alex. Grab a seat.
How's it going, Commander?
Busy as always. How about you guys?
We were just talking about how much we miss earthly comforts. But hey, our aquaponics system is thriving, so that's a win.
And health-wise, the colonists are adapting better than I expected. Regular exercise routines and the diet are working well.
That's great to hear. Every bit of progress counts out here.
So, Alex, what's the latest with the mining operations?
We've had some setbacks, but nothing we can't handle. The new equipment should help increase our output.
Any word on the next supply drop?
Not for a while, I'm afraid. We've got to make do with what we have for now. I heard there's a group planning to start a music night here. Something to lift everyone's spirits.
That sounds like a great idea. We could all use a little entertainment. Speaking of entertainment, did you guys see that movie they made about our Mars colony?
Oh, you mean the one where everything goes wrong and we're all running around like headless chickens?
Exactly. They got it all wrong. It's like they didn't even do their research.
Yeah, I saw it. I couldn't stop laughing at how dramatic they made everything. We're a lot more organized than that.
And what was with that scene where they showed us growing potatoes in our own waste? Like, come on, we have sophisticated systems in place.
True, it's all part of the adventure, I guess. By the way, Lena, how's it going with those measures you're working on for the high radiation doses we got at the start?
It's been challenging. We're trying to mitigate the long-term effects. Supplements and diet adjustments are helping, but we need more data to really get a handle on it.
I've noticed people seem to be handling it better lately. Whatever you're doing, it's working.
That's excellent news. It's crucial we stay in top shape. Mars isn't exactly forgiving. Hello, this is Alex. Just now? I'll make my way out there immediately. Sorry, something just came up. I've got to go.
Everything okay?
Just some unexpected trouble. I'll catch up with you guys later.
Take care, Alex. Let us know if you need anything.
Will do. See you both later. Marco, we have a situation. I need you at the vehicle airlock.
I got here as fast as I could. What's going on?
There was an explosion at the mining site. We need to inspect the damage and figure out what happened.
Just what we needed. Any idea what caused it?
Not yet. We'll know more once we get there, but we need to be prepared for anything.
You think this could be sabotage?
It's a possibility. But let's not jump to conclusions. We'll know more soon.
Look at this. The blast pattern. It's not consistent with any of our equipment.
I see what you mean. It looks like it was caused by something external.
This impact here, it's almost like it was targeted. This wasn't just an accident. Someone did this.
But who and how?
What's this? It looks like a drone component.
We need to analyze this back at the control center.
Agreed. Let's gather as much evidence as we can and head back.
So what do we have?
This is definitely from an automated drone. The components used suggest it's not from any of our equipment.
So someone sent a drone to sabotage us.
Could it be the Chinese? They do have a presence on Mars.
Their settlement is too far away for a direct attack like this. They wouldn't risk such a move. No, this attack likely came from within our main colony area.
So someone here, someone close, has the means and the motive.
Exactly. We need to take immediate security measures. This isn't just about fixing the damage anymore. It's about preventing another attack.
I'll start running an analysis on these components. Maybe we can trace it back to its source.
Good. We need to find out who did this and why. Let's pull all the video we can, too. In the meantime, we'll tighten security around the colony.
Understood. I'll keep you updated on any findings.
Thanks, Marco. Let's get to the bottom of this before it happens again.
Good evening. I'm Tom Richards with ENN. Tonight we have breaking news from Mars City regarding a significant incident that occurred earlier today. This morning, an explosion rocked Mars City's primary mining site. This exclusive photo shows the moment of the explosion, captured by security cameras. As you can see, the explosion caused significant damage to the mining equipment. While the cause of the explosion is still under investigation, initial reports suggest that it may have been the result of an automated drone attack. Commander Alex Harper of the Mars colony has issued a public announcement regarding the situation. We now go to his press release.
Good evening. Earlier today, an explosion occurred at our primary mining site. Fortunately, there were no casualties, but the damage to our equipment is extensive. Initial investigations indicate that the explosion was caused by an automated drone, possibly launched from within our own colony area. We are taking this situation very seriously, and have already begun to implement increased security measures to prevent any future incidents. We urge all colonists to remain vigilant and report any suspicious activity immediately. Our priority is the safety and security of everyone in the colony. We will keep you updated as more information becomes available. Thank you.
We will continue to follow this developing story and provide updates as more information becomes available. For ENN, I'm Tom Richards. Stay safe and good night.
Before this incident, the freedoms of the Mars colony were taken for granted. A police force had not even seemed necessary in our tight-knit community. But now, we face the daunting task of balancing freedom and security. How do we move forward without becoming a security state? As we grapple with these questions, the colony stands at a crossroads. Is this the work of a small group of bad actors, or is there a larger, more sinister state-run operation at play? Stay tuned, and join us next time as we uncover more about the forces shaping the future of the Mars colony.